Number 1. Have a bad, good time. It means to experience an enjoyable or unenjoyable occasion.
They had a good time at the beach. They had a good time at the beach. He had a bad time at the party yesterday. He had a bad time at the party yesterday. I always have a good time with you. I always have a good time with you.
Number 2. Have fun. It means to enjoy oneself.
We always have fun at the amusement park. We always have fun at the amusement park. Have fun on your vacation to Hawaii. Have fun on your vacation to Hawaii. The kids had fun painting and drawing. The kids had fun painting and drawing.
Number 3. Have a blast. It means to have a very enjoyable and exciting time.
She had a blast at her birthday party. She had a blast at her birthday party. They're going to have a blast on the roller coaster. They're going to have a blast on the roller coaster. I had a blast on our road trip. I had a blast on our road trip.
Number 4. Have a barbecue. It means to cook food outside on a grill.
Let's have a barbecue this weekend. Let's have a barbecue this weekend. They had a barbecue for the 4th of July. They had a barbecue for the 4th of July. We had a barbecue and invited all our friends. We had a barbecue and invited all our friends.
Number 5. Have a bite. It means to eat something, usually a small amount.
Have a bite of the chocolate cake. Have a bite of the chocolate cake. They had a bite before going to the movies. They had a bite before going to the movies. I just had a bite of lunch earlier. I just had a bite of lunch earlier.
Number 6. Make sense of. It means to understand something or find reason in something.
This math problem doesn't make sense to me. This math problem doesn't make sense to me. Can you make sense of these instructions? Can you make sense of these instructions? She made sense of the report after reading it twice. She made sense of the report after reading it twice.
Number 7. Make excuses. It means to provide reasons to justify or explain why something was not done.
He always makes excuses for being late. He always makes excuses for being late. She made excuses for not finishing her homework. She made excuses for not finishing her homework. Don't make excuses, just admit you forgot. Don't make excuses, just admit you forgot.
Number 8. Make progress. It means to move forward or improve in some way.
She is making progress in her English lessons. She is making progress in her English lessons. They've made progress on the project this week. They've made progress on the project this week. He made progress in his recovery from the injury. He made progress in his recovery from the injury.
Number 9. Make a point of. It means to emphasize or express something important.
He made a point of thanking everyone who helped. He made a point of thanking everyone who helped. She makes a point of eating healthy every day. She makes a point of eating healthy every day. I want to make a point of arriving early. I want to make a point of arriving early.
Number 10. Make an opportunity. It means to find a chance to do something or create a favorable time for something.
You have to make an opportunity for yourself in business. You have to make an opportunity for yourself in business. She made an opportunity to speak with the director. She made an opportunity to speak with the director. They made an opportunity to showcase their work. They made an opportunity to showcase their work.
Number 11. Turn around. It means to change direction or position, or to improve a situation.
He turned around to face me. He turned around to face me. The company's sales turned around after the new marketing campaign. The company's sales turned around after the new marketing campaign. When she got lost, she turned around and found the right path. When she got lost, she turned around and found the right path.
Number 12. Turn over. It means to flip something so the other side is facing up, or to give control or possession to someone else.
Turn over the paper to continue the test. Turn over the paper to continue the test. He turned over the car keys to his son. He turned over the car keys to his son. The shop was turned over to the new owner. The shop was turned over to the new owner.
Number 13. Turn away from. It means to move your face or body so you are not looking at something, or to stop being involved with something.
She turned away from the scary movie. She turned away from the scary movie. He turned away from bad habits. He turned away from bad habits. They turned away from the old methods. They turned away from the old methods.
Number 14. Turn in. It means to go to bed, or to submit something like homework or a report.
I usually turn in early during weekdays. I usually turn in early during weekdays. She turned in her assignment on time. She turned in her assignment on time. They turned in their feedback at the end of the class. They turned in their feedback at the end of the class.
Number 15. Turn up. It means to appear or arrive, or to increase the volume or intensity.
He always turns up late to meetings. He always turns up late to meetings. Her cat turned up after being missing for days. Her cat turned up after being missing for days. Can you turn up the heat? It's cold here. Can you turn up the heat? It's cold here.
Number 16. Go blind, go deaf. It means to lose the ability to see or to hear.
He started to go blind in his 50s. He started to go blind in his 50s. The old dog has gone deaf over the years. The old dog has gone deaf over the years. She was afraid she'd go blind from the disease. She was afraid she'd go blind from the disease.
Number 17. Go red, go yellow. It means to change color to red or to yellow.
The leaves go red in the fall season. The leaves go red in the fall season. Bananas go yellow when they ripen. Bananas go yellow when they ripen. Her face went red with embarrassment. Her face went red with embarrassment.
Number 18. Go dark. It means to become dark or to stop operating, especially used for electronic devices or lights.
The whole neighborhood went dark after the storm. The whole neighborhood went dark after the storm. My phone went dark when the battery died. My phone went dark when the battery died. At sunset, the sky went dark quickly. At sunset, the sky went dark quickly.
Number 19. Go crazy. It means to act in an excited, uncontrolled, or wild manner.
Kids tend to go crazy in the playground. Kids tend to go crazy in the playground. She went crazy with excitement at the concert. She went crazy with excitement at the concert. Sometimes you just need to go crazy and have fun. Sometimes you just need to go crazy and have fun.
Number 20. Go steady. It means to have a continuous and stable relationship.
The young couple decided to go steady. The young couple decided to go steady. They have been going steady since high school. They have been going steady since high school. He asked her to go steady with him. He asked her to go steady with him.
Number 21. Get a present. It means to receive a gift.
I got a present for my birthday. I got a present for my birthday. She was happy to get a present from her friend. She was happy to get a present from her friend. He got a present from his company for his service. He got a present from his company for his service.
Number 22. Get a haircut. It means to have your hair cut or styled.
He gets a haircut every other month. He gets a haircut every other month. She got a haircut for her sister's wedding. She got a haircut for her sister's wedding. It's time for me to get a haircut. It's time for me to get a haircut.
Number 23. Get tired of. It means to begin to feel that you want to sleep or rest. Do not want to do any more.
After a long walk, I get tired. After a long walk, I get tired. She gets tired after working all day. She gets tired after working all day. They got tired of playing soccer. They got tired of playing soccer.
Number 24. Get a ride to. It means to receive transportation to a place.
Can I get a ride to school with you? Can I get a ride to school with you? She got a ride to the airport from her brother. She got a ride to the airport from her brother. They got a ride to the concert with friends. They got a ride to the concert with friends.
Number 25. Get to work. It means to arrive at the place where you work.
I need to get to work by 8 a.m. I need to get to work by 8 a.m. She got to work and started her computer. She got to work and started her computer. Let's get to work on the project right away. Let's get to work on the project right away.